Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. Hi everyone, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at this Astaxanthin. Now, in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about this product and help you know what you can expect when you get it. Now, first off, this is the Astaxanthin right here. It does come in this bottle, and you can easily go ahead and unscrew this lid here to get access to the product, but I did want to mention something about this product, and I really like the fact that it came sealed. There was actually a seal here at the top that I went ahead and broke to get access to the product. Now, these are the Astaxanthin soft gels right here. You can see them on the inside. I'll go ahead and pour some out here so you can kind of see their size there. But this is the size of the Astaxanthin right here. Now, these are soft gels, and one thing that's great about this bottle of Astaxanthin is the fact that there are 180 soft gels here in this bottle. So a lot of soft gels here. This should last me and my household quite some time here with 180 of those soft gels. Overall, I've been really impressed with this product. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.